The earliest known cutting tools, resembling scissors, date back over 500 years. These ancient implements were crucial for tasks ranging from shearing sheep to crafting intricate garments. Every day, countless individuals rely on the simple yet indispensable design of scissors. From opening packages to crafting art, these tools shape our daily interactions. Yet, few consider the remarkable journey behind this ubiquitous cutting instrument. Its evolution mirrors humanity's constant quest for precision and efficiency. Understanding their ancient origin reveals fascinating insights into human ingenuity and perseverance. This story begins long before advanced industry, in an unexpected historical setting. Ancient Egypt provides the first compelling archaeological evidence of scissor-like devices. Around 1500 BCE, early Egyptians crafted spring scissors from a single bronze blade. These implements featured two blades connected by a C-shaped spring in the handle. Users squeezed the handles together, allowing the spring to return them to open. Imagine using a flexible metal hair clip to cut paper. The principle was similar. These early versions were robust, but lacked the precise cutting action of later designs. Their primary function involved shearing wool from animals and trimming textiles. But this rudimentary design had significant limitations for finer, detailed work. Wait until you hear how a revolutionary change dramatically improved their performance. The pivotal innovation arrived with the ancient Romans around the 1st century CE. Roman engineers introduced the concept of pivot scissors, fundamentally altering cutting. This design featured two separate blades joined by a central pivot point, typically a screw. Each blade had a ring-shaped handle for the user's fingers, much like contemporary scissors. This pivot allowed for a much more powerful and controlled shearing motion. Unlike spring scissors, the Roman design concentrated force directly at the cutting edge. Archaeological excavations across the Roman Empire consistently unearthed these robust tools. They were fashioned from durable iron or bronze, reflecting advanced metallurgical skills. Roman artisans used them for haircutting, pruning plants, and preparing medical dressings. The ingenious pivot design spread throughout Europe, becoming the standard for centuries. However, consistent quality and widespread production remained significant challenges. And then something unexpected happened, pushing scissor development even further forward. During the Middle Ages, scissor production remained largely a localized artisanal craft.
Skilled blacksmiths meticulously forged each ornate pair, often reflecting wealthy owners' status.
The true transformation began with the rise of specialized manufacturing processes. Yet this shift brought unforeseen challenges for consistent quality and design. By the 15th century, cities like Milan and Sheffield became renowned for scissor making. These centers developed advanced techniques for hardening steel and sharpening blades. The introduction of cast steel in the 18th century further refined blade quality and strength. This innovation allowed for consistently sharper, more durable, and longer-lasting cutting edges. Mass production techniques slowly emerged, making scissors accessible to more people. Yet one crucial element still caused widespread frustration among users. The relentless pursuit of ergonomic perfection continued, driving continuous improvements in handle design. It was a subtle refinement, yet it dramatically changed how people interacted with the tool. Eventually, advanced manufacturing techniques standardized the precise alignment of the cutting blades. This ensured a clean, effortless cut with every single closure of the handles. From tailors' shears to tiny embroidery snips, specialization also became common. Different tasks demanded different blade lengths, handle shapes, and overall weight. This diversification ensured optimal performance for nearly any conceivable cutting need. But that's not the strangest part of how these simple tools shaped human history. The invention of effective scissors revolutionized numerous aspects of human life. Textile production accelerated, enabling faster creation of clothing and fabrics. Surgical procedures became safer and more precise with specialized cutting instruments. Education and literacy benefited from easier paper cutting for books and documents. These tools empowered countless individuals to create, repair, and innovate. Imagine a world without the precise ability to cut and shape materials. Scissors exemplify how a seemingly simple invention can drive profound societal change. Their consistent presence across millennia highlights their fundamental human value. This humble tool truly underpins countless creative and practical endeavors worldwide. The enduring story of scissors reminds us that even everyday objects hold incredible histories. From ancient ingenuity to refined precision, their evolution continues to inspire wonder. If you found this fascinating, subscribe for more incredible stories and tell us your favorite forgotten invention below.